Welcome back to Joy Tutorials. Previous I discussed what is science. Now I am going to discuss about why is science. Science is what, children? It is a knowledge. Science is what? It is a knowledge. Way of looking at the nature. It is a conduct experiment. Okay. Science is a process. Science is a product. Science is way of looking at the nature. Okay. Here science, why is science? Science is knowledge. It fact deals the fact. Here, individual perspective, societal perspective is there. What is meant by individual perspective? Here, scientists are doing research. They find out new inventions, new discoveries, new theories. They disprove old ones, improve new concepts, new theories. They collected data. Okay, like that they are doing research. Okay, sometimes we will get doubts what they are doing, how much time they are spending in laboratory research doing, what it will be get, like that we will get so many doubts sprout in our mind. Okay, but they are doing research. Okay, they will do research, finally they will success. Okay, somebody they can't prove, they will prove means new theory or new concept, they will get greatest joy. That is about individual perspective. Okay, here societal perspective. Here, here individuals they discover something that is helpful to the people in the society, improves people economy. That is about societal perspective. Here, what is in their goal? They have to do something to the people. They have to sacrifice their life. They have to give something. That's why they are spending a lot of time in research. Okay, we are spending time with our families, we are happily spending, but they are spending life in research, so many years of time they are doing research. Okay, now we are using simply switch on light coming, but how much they are doing effort, so much is there. Okay, whatever it may be, so many efforts they are, number of times they are failure, but they will try, they will do success, they will achieve the goal. That is about the societal perspective. Here they sacrifice their lives. They improve, they are thinking about improve the people life. Okay, science and change. Science and next is science and change. Science is constantly undergoes change. Okay, we have to see 20th century, 19th century, 21st century. Okay, now 21st century na, so many advantages are there, so many facilities there compared to primitive era. We have to so many there. Robotics are there, so many are there. Washing machine, cooler, fans. Okay, so many are there na. Science and changes. Here Karl Popper, according to view of Karl Popper, he said science is the discovery of corrected mistakes. He said science is the discovery of corrected mistakes. Okay, Karl Popper, he said science is the discovery of the corrected mistakes. While they are doing research, they are followed by the way of method that is called scientific method. They are doing the scientific method. Here, investigation, scientific method. They are planning and investigation. They are doing planning and investigation. They are find out something. Okay, they are doing the scientific method. Here 5 steps are there. Uh, Asking questions, observe and asking questions, uh, making hypothesis, plan experiment, conduct experiment, draw conclusions. These are the 5 steps are there. Here scientific method. While they are doing any research, they are using the scientific method. Planning and investigation. This is about the planning and investigation. For example, I am thinking in textbook bean seeds given. Okay, bean seeds best sprout in that given, that hypothesis given. So we will take the scientific method, planning and investigation. Here first one I have to check, observe, ask questions. I'm taking the three identical bean seeds. I'm taking three identical bean seeds. Which is the best soil suitable for the plant growth? That is the question in our mind. Okay, I'm noting question in my notebook. Next one. Next question. Okay, making hypothesis. Which soil is best for? Okay, which soil is best sprouting? Which soil is best sprouting? Okay, that is my hypothesis. Hypothesis is nothing but we have to test the results, test the possible results. Next, third one, uh, plan experiment. I have to collected three pots and potty soil, sandy soil, clay soil. I collected. That is the my plan of experiment. Next, conduct experiment. I will control the variables like water, sunlight. Okay, I will give same amount of light and water. Okay, then I will not give properly means my results will not come properly. That's why I will control variables. I will conduct the experiment. Okay, I will conduct the experiment. Finally, every day, every 3 days, I am noting the results. How much height will grow that bean seeds. Okay, I am noting results. After 21 days, okay, my results are given. Which is best sprout? Which soil is best sprouting? Draw and conclusions the results. Draw conclusions the result. That is fifth one. Okay, here what is came? I'm thinking like clay soil is best for plant growth, best suitable for the plant growth. I'm thinking means, okay, here came sandy soil or potty soil is both are came same results, both are same growth came. So my hypothesis is wrong. Okay, I'm thinking my hypothesis clay soil is best for plant growth, but here what came? So that's why my hypothesis is wrong. So I will continue the research like that.